Are you here looking for love?
Yes, I'm in my bag, baby. Period.
They warm up. I said, mirror, mirror on the wall. Who is the baddest of them all? That was a quick pause. Then the mirror responded.
You know you got it locked. Stop acting retarded.
Is it up here? No, it's not here. Pineapple Ponytail. Here we go, starting off on a clean wash head canvas. This is 4C hair, by the way, if you have not noticed. Now, I'm going to go ahead and go through my head to make sure it's all good to go. And then I will be taking some water from the faucet pipe and applying to my hair. Now, my water bottle for this video is out of order, so I'm doing it this way. Yeah, it's kind of hood, but, you know, that's me, baby, all day. Hoodie, hoodie, hood. And this water allows my hair to loosen up. That way I can comb and brush through without saying ouch ooh. Bam, we have our Eco Styling Gel. Now this right here is a must for my hair texture. And if you have not saw my previous video of how I apply my hair gel, I'm going to go ahead and give you a rundown right fast. Now, I'll put the gel all over my hair base, okay? And then I will comb through my hair. Next, I will take my comb and I'll apply my hair. And I'll put the gel in between my hair only because I want my hair to be like laid down. And when I have a ponytail, I don't want it to be looking like it's forced or like it's bulky. You know, I want it like a real great looking ponytail. That way, it's gonna look like it's my real hair. So part like that, and then yeah. Then once it's all parted and the gel all in between your hair and it's very smooth to go up in the ponytail, I'm gonna go on my hard bristle brush. Make sure it's hard, y'all, because that soft stuff do not be cutting it, okay? So put it in that top tippy ponytail of your choice. And then, you know, I use rubber bands, of course, because it grips real tight. Rubber band in there, and then I will go on my Gorilla Snot glue. Yeah. And apply it for my hair base because my flyaways do not be playing. It really do not be playing, y'all. And once my gel is on there, then the last part I will be doing